girl Sharnice, and today I'm doing a collaboration with my adopted cousin Danie Mariee, and we are doing this look for you guys, but we have a surprise. Danie does not actually have locks.
Where who?
So you guys will see what we kind of cooked up, and I hope that you enjoy it. Before watching this video, please help me out by subscribing. While you're watching it, please give it a thumbs up and comment and share with all your friends. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I am loving this look. Let me know what you guys think. Bye. Good evening. It is about 5 p.m. and I just washed my hair and it has been drying in a towel. I actually used the Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe shampoo, and as you can tell, my hair smells amazing because I just smelled it and reacted. And it has a nice tingle to it. So I just put some olive oil on my hair. You guys know olive oil is my favorite. It is a staple. It has been a staple from when I had a perm to when I had loose natural hair to now. And what I have in this applicator bottle is just a mix of Therapy by J oils. I mixed her growth oil and I also mixed her daily essential oil. So I'm putting that on my scalp, giving myself a nice little massage, you know, taking care of myself. Self-love is the best love. And this is how I really get my hair moisturized. We are ready to go. Okay, so I picked up some Flexi rods and I'm really excited to use them. I am using this 3/8 of an inch diameter one, 1/2 of an inch, and 9/16 of an inch. So right now, I'm not retwisting my hair. I'm actually just gathering the hair because you guys know my hair grows out of the lock for some reason that I hate. And I'm just doing that to prevent any lock marrying. I don't plan on retwisting my hair anytime soon. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just gathering those hairs so that I can prevent lock marrying and just so that it's like a little neater. So actually, the way that you see me curling my hair around the Flexi rods, I actually took them out and used a different method because I wanted my curls to look a certain way. These were gonna give me like kind of ringlets, and the way I wanted my hair to look is kind of more like a spiral look. I don't know if you guys get what I mean, but when my curls come out, I think you'll see. So here I'm showing you guys the new method that I started using to curl my hair around the Flexi rods. So again, I am gathering the hair around each lock. I actually ended up using around 4 to 5 locks to do each curl, and it actually worked out. My curls came out pretty tight. About halfway I was like worried, like damn, maybe I should have like only done like 2 locks to each Flexi rod, but there was no turning back. So yeah, if you guys just saw that, that is how I kind of wrapped the Flexi rod. I wrapped the locks around the Flexi rod, kind of twirling it so that I can get that spiral effect that I'm looking for. And then when I got to the ends of the locks, I bent the Flexi rod so that it can stay, so that everything's secure. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing all over my head, kind of this like twirl and twist of my locks around the Flexi rod, and that gave me the looks that I desired. Wait, let's see what Danie's doing. Okay, sis, we see you. It's looking cute. I love it. When curling my locks, I was sure to start the Flexi rod away from my scalp, just because I did notice that when I was curling my locks that the Flexi rods were getting kind of tight. So some of the tight ones I did have to take out and redo them so that they weren't so tight. All right, guys, this is what we have with the Flexi rods. The smallest ones, I did only use one, as you can see. So I only have the 2 bigger sizes in my head right now. It is 5:40 p.m. So I'm gonna wake up. I have to wake up pretty early tomorrow. So we will see. We will see. But this will be drying for at least 11.5 hours. So I'll be back. It better turn out how I think it should turn out. For the style that I'm trying to achieve, I think that me changing the method that I use to curl it around the flexi rods will be a big help. See you guys tomorrow.
Good morning. Oh.
What the fuck?
I lied. The flexi rods were comfortable to sleep in until they were not. I never wanted sleep to end so fast. I am so happy that I'm awake. I'm taking these out right now. It's not even, well, I'm blind. It's 6 a.m. Good morning.
Ah! Stop playing. Stop playing with me. I don't know who told you to play with me. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm really happy with my results. And as you guys watch me take this style down, I just want to say that I did not use any product in my hair to achieve this style. What you guys saw, me putting the olive oil and Therapy by J oils in my hair, that's all that I put in my hair. I don't know why, but I just did not feel like putting anything in my hair this week. I don't know. I have a great product by Peculiar Roots. It's their flaxseed mousse. And that's the mousse that I like the most, but I just did not feel like putting anything in my hair. So I did this style on a hope and a prayer, hoping that, you know, just water and oils will set my curls. And they really did, guys. My hair dried in that window. And yeah, the curls came out fantastic. As you can see, they're really spiraled, and that's how I wanted them. And yes. All right, so I'm super happy with my curls, and now I can style my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just sectioning off the bang section, and I'm just using some pins to kind of approximately pin them down where I think they should be. Now my bang did come out a little long, which is fine because I did like wearing it to the side. But if you want to wear it directly to the front, you can pin it back even further. And also keep in mind that the curls will start dropping instantly and throughout the day. So, you know, just keep that in mind. So yes, I am using some bobby pins to pin all of the locks that will be in the bang. And then I will use the back section. I'm going to scrunchie up the back section just for reference, and then I'm going to use my head wrap to tie it all up. So you guys will see that soon. This head wrap is from Baba Afrique. They have beautiful head wraps and other apparel. You should go check them out. So right now I'm just like trying to figure out how I actually want to tie my head scarf. So I decided to keep it really simple. I just did I did 2 knots. I did a knot in the front, and then I kind of intertwined the 2 ends, and then I brought the 2 ends around and tucked them. And I didn't do this on camera, but I did use more bobby pins on the sides of my hair to give it more volume in the middle as it falls in the direction of my bangs. So yes, as you guys can see, I'm loving this head wrap from Baba Afrique. I love that it has the blue in it and it has red. The blue is matching my blue eyeliner and the red is matching my red lip, period. I'm so happy that we did this. I would have never thought to do this style. I love these bangs. They're kind of long, and the curls are dropping too, so they're getting even longer. But it's easy, like, just to put it to one side, and like the hair's still falling the way it's supposed to. So I'm really feeling it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this entire ordeal. And if you want to see more, let me know. Bye.